What's up, everyone? It's Mac. I'm going over today's trades. Today was Tuesday, February 25th, 2025. I took one trade today. It's right here, and it was a winner. So let's go over it. We were neutral coming in. Here's the open candle. Tried to wick up Prince Bearish, and these try to come up. Just kind of in this little range right here. This is a strong candle down that Prince read for a sell. A bit of a engulfing candle, but as the late trend has been, engulfing down, or not engulfing, washouts down don't really matter, because we entered here, we had a bit of a drawdown. It came close, to be honest, but it very quickly came back. This was a strong close down, a little bit of a pullback here, and then another strong close, and we hit the target. Now, what I did this time, again, because we've got new voodoo lines, we had this tree line right here that could have been support. I did trim one a little bit after 30 points. It was like 30, almost 40 points. I trimmed one and then let my two runners go. I wanted to do like I did last time and let them go for a bigger trade, because this went another 200 points. Yeah, closed out at 21,235, and it went all the way to 21,035. Yeah, another 200 points. It went down. Another huge move down on the day. That's been the trend lately. Basically, sell at the open and you're going to get a win. So I took my win here. And as I've seen, coming way down here, like, there's not going to be any other good actual bag signal trades. Right here, could have played my neutral close over the 21. Entered here, tiny drawdown, and it went more than the 45 points. So, again, after 11, I'm doing 1.5 to 1 R. That would have been 45 points. This is a 21 hold. That could have been another one. That would have been 45 points. Then here we get the buy signal. Now this buy signal went up, hit this tree line, and then came down, and it was a stop out. And we're getting another one right here. So the reason this signal got stopped out is because this upward move has already been made. There was too much of a sell-off in the morning to overcome that and get a buy signal printed until it's already too late. The move up has already happened. So here with this one, this is a strong candle up, but I'm really doubting it's going to be a win. So I'm actually thankful that I closed out and didn't try any of these trades, because this was a loser. This one's probably going to be a loser. This is a washout to the upside from 185 to 241. This is almost 60 points up right here. So again, I've been on a streak. I've won 5 days in a row, taking these first morning signals. I regret not letting one run and get another few hundred points. I could have had a much better day, but it was a win. I'm green, and the goal of the game is to survive. It's not to have home runs every day. It's to limit your losses and survive through the losses. Losses are going to come. I've had several wins in a row, but losses are going to come. The whole point is to make it through those losses. So taking a win and closing your account out to preserve that win and not take a loss is a good strategy. So I'm out. I'll catch you tomorrow. Tomorrow's Wednesday the 26th, and we'll see what bag gives us tomorrow.